Look what her thing says. I am really busy. Look at her little paws. She loves the snow, guys. She's crazy for the snow. It's my baby. I don't know if you guys can see her. So pretty. Look at the snow though. I love the snow. I don't care if it's cold. It's beautiful. We had a snowstorm, I think a month ago, but it wasn't this bad. This one is a lot more snow, but I don't mind it. I'm using the iPhone, guys. Like I said, I can just upload quick, you know. I do work full time, guys, so my time is, I don't have much time on my guys to be editing that much. But who knows, maybe in the future I will. I will stick with the GoPro as well, but for now I'm just using my iPhone, guys. So, you know, bear with me. Look at all the snow. Can't get enough of the snow. Let's go, Sita. Hopefully you guys can see the snow good, man. Oh, look, yeah, you guys could see the snow. Like, even like this, eh? Guys, this is so beautiful, honestly. In the snow, it's really pretty like this. Little paws. I know. She loves the snow, mira. Ciao. Oh, this is crazy. But look at this, yo. This is so... Look at the footprints, guys. This is sick, man. I don't know. I'm just loving this right now. Oh, I should have brought my GoPro because it could get wet. This one could get wet too. It's waterproof, the iPhone. But the GoPro's way better. Winter Wonderland. Normal. Wide. Look how beautiful it looks, guys. Wow, I'm in love. I'm in love with the Coco. I got it for the Lolo. I'm in love with the Coco. I got it for the Lolo. Ah, so good. Mom, I can eat you up. Woo, this is beautiful. I'm gonna say it's 100 times. Beautiful. I need a thumbnail. Yeah, buddy. So, yeah, we got people toboggan over there. Not sure if you guys can see. That's sick, guys. Okay, why can I not put it? There we go. Normal view for now. Come on, guys, let's get this video to 200 likes. I think I might name it like Winter Storm in Toronto, Canada, or something like that, or First Snowfall. I don't know, guys. I need some clickbait titles because your boy needs the views, you know. One day in my life, I would love to do this part-time or full-time, make some money and give you guys way better content and me traveling the world, you know. Hey, that comes with time. That will come, that come. My time will come and Fly Lopez will take the off, no problem. You know, we got people here. Look at the snow. It's lit, dude. Meryl, sit down. Vamos. It's enough of you smiling. Look at the snow, though. Oh, he fell. This is sick, guys. Yo. Check where this guy goes. If he doesn't fall, let's see, guys. One more time before we go. This is funny. made it this time. Oh, he fell. Yo, this is funny. I see. Ah, this guy fell too. That's jokes. Woo, yeah, buddy. Yeah. I'm gonna buy one of those things and go with Osita. It starts snowing even more. Look at this. Oh, the snow. I'm gonna go take the snow out. I might do it in my house and get wet in my house. Kayla, we need a towel. Yeah. I think this is the second snowstorm. Remember we had one?
Yeah, the other one.
This one is bigger, I think. Look already here, look how much snow. We didn't get this much snow last time, the first time.
It was a lot of snow, but it just snowed not that much, but still dropped a lot. Now it's snowing all day. And
see, bro, the quality looks good in the phone, but then when I upload it, it doesn't look as good. It's weird.
What'd you switch settings to?
No, the settings is good.
No, on
I might have
YouTube.
I might have to do 4K.
Yeah.
Guys, on my next shot, I'm gonna be doing 4K, so we'll see what happens. Because I know a lot of you guys watch on your phone and laptops, and I think 4K doesn't work on some laptops and some phones. But I'll see. I'll do 4K right now. We'll see how it looks. Yeah, guys, look. Right now it's a 4K. Let me see how it looks. I think, guys, it actually does look better like this. Jeep right now, 4x4 gang or what? See how it looks, guys. Let me know if it looks better, but I think I'm gonna keep it at 4K actually. Woo. Sick, bro. Yeah, this is nice, bro. Yeah. Screw girls. I don't really care about them right now. I care about my YouTube grind.
Lopez, no?
Yeah, you know?
Lopez 2021.
Yeah, bro. What's up, dog? Hey. But yeah, actually, no, you could take a girl here. This is where the Pokemon used to be. Guys, look how nice it looks. Good content, right?
No?
I know. Good thing you told me about it. I want to drop my phone. But yeah, you know. This looks beautiful, bro. All this light. Yeah, bro. Yo. Yeah, bro. This is downtown Brampton, basically. Look at the colors, guys. This is why I love winter. Yeah, bro. So beautiful, all these lights, guys. Like, come on, man. I'm gonna go eat right now. Today's my cheat meal, guys. So, yeah, I'm gonna be eating something really fatty but delicious. And no, Monday to Friday, your boy eats clean. That's why I got that figure, that fly figure. We getting some jerk chicken. Some jerk chicken. I know, that's good stuff. We got some jerk chicken. So they give me a lot of chicken, guys. Like, I don't even eat all this much. But hold up. Why is it not zooming out?
You say something for work, no?
Nah, hell no, bro. I ain't eating this tomorrow. But guys, I wanted a coleslaw, and I don't see any beans on my rice. Oh, there is.
There's a couple.
Oh yeah, there is. Yeah. Let's try a bite. I'll be back. Let me try a bite. Chicken. the rice all together. It's pretty good. Okay, guys, my thoughts about that spot, Portland Jerk. I give it a 6 out of 10 because the chicken, guys, it needed more sauce. The rice was okay. I think even the rice needed more beans. I didn't get any coleslaw. So I give it a 6 out of 10. Yeah, I needed more sauce, but I didn't eat it all, to be honest. Like, that's why I give it 6 out of 10. When it's 6 out of 10, I don't eat the whole thing. Would I go back to that spot? No. I'm being honest. You know, I'm not hating or nothing. I'm just telling how I feel, and I tried better jerk spots than that, guys. But look how beautiful it is outside right now. I don't know about you guys, but I love the snow. I don't care if it's cold, but look, this is beautiful. I hope you guys are liking the video. This is 4K now. In the start, it wasn't 4K, but now all my videos with the iPhone, it's gonna be 4K. Ooh, let's get it, guys. You guys already know what to do. Subscribe, hit that like button, and leave some fat comments because your boy's back on YouTube. I'm back on the YouTube grind. And look, right now, this is the flowers where we at. You gotta fly with me though, you know? Yeah, get to fly with me, guys. So you're not leaving the fly world. Stay fly.